Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Audi A3 key fob. We will cover two main scenarios: resynchronizing an existing fob that has lost its connection and understanding when a brand new key requires professional programming. Knowing these steps can save you a trip to the dealership and potentially hundreds of dollars. Let's dive into the details of getting your key fob working perfectly again. If your Audi A3 key fob stops working after a battery change or being out of range, you can often resynchronize it yourself. First, press and hold the unlock button on the remote. While still holding it, insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. Keep holding the unlock button for 2 seconds. Finally, turn the key to off, remove it from the ignition, and then release the unlock button. This simple process often restores functionality. For brand new Audi A3 key fobs, or if your vehicle is not equipped for owner self-programming, professional assistance is usually required. Many Audi A3 models, especially newer ones, need specialized computer equipment to link a new fob to your car's system. An automotive locksmith or an authorized dealership possesses the necessary tools and expertise to perform this complex programming accurately and securely. When professional programming is necessary, finding the right service can save you money. Start by locating a reputable automotive locksmith in your area. Their prices are often more competitive than a dealership's. If your vehicle is drivable, taking it to their shop can reduce costs compared to an on-site visit. Also, consider purchasing a new key fob separately, as this can sometimes be more economical than buying it directly from the service provider.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.